Hesperia at the Pilot, I-15, exit 141. It's now, what time is it now? It's 8:30 in the morning. So, you know, called my dispatch first thing this morning. You know, got the okay to do a 34. So that's what we are doing. We got 10 hours last night, of course, you know, before we did anything. We got a 10-hour done. And then this morning I said, you know, it'd be better if I just waited here another 24 hours and then rolled. You know, just you know, the way the hours that I have was working, it just would be better if I did a 34. I would actually get to my deliveries with a lot more you know, how do I want to put it, with more, you know, pad for the hours. You know, there's less chance of it, you know, of me, you know, if I have a delay, it's not going to impact me. I have the hours to absorb it if I do a 34. Whereas if I just went off the hours that I have at the moment, you know, that I accumulate day to day, it would actually take me longer to get there. So basically what I'm doing is, you know, getting myself a full 70 clock instead of, you know, gaining, you know, a few hours each day and then never having a full day to actually do anything. Which, you know, it doesn't make good, you know, good sense to do half days when a full day will let me do more. So, like at the end of the day yesterday, I had 6 hours and 40 minutes. This morning, I gained 1 hour and 5 minutes. What am I going to do with 7 hours trying to get all the way back to Oklahoma City, then to Iowa? Make deliveries, do fueling, do my load checks, inspections, you know, all that stuff. Taking into account weather, construction, a problem with the truck, you know, whatnot. You know, it just doesn't make sense to you know, to go, you know, just piecemeal day by day, you know. So I gained 1 hour and 5 minutes today. Tomorrow is like 11 hours, 40 minutes. Then 5 hours and 50 minutes, 5 hours and 3 minutes. Then like 10 hours, you know. So it just makes much more sense to stop, do a 34, reset, get a full 70-hour clock, so that every day after that is a full day, 14 hours, 11 hours, bam, I can go faster, farther, and I have enough cushion every day so that if something happens, it's not going to adversely affect me. You know, I'm not going to get, there's no way I'm going to get stuck somewhere where I don't have parking or I can't, you know, stay overnight. So we're sitting here in Hesperia. Granted, I do not want to be sitting here in California doing this, but I'd rather just start out just automatically. You know, getting that done. So, do a little bit of cleanup. Got the vast majority of trash picked up. I got to sweep the floors. I got to do laundry. I'm going to have me a couple chicken tenders for breakfast. Like I said, work on video. I'm getting all 4 cameras emptied out. And basically we're just going to sit here until about 4:30 in the morning tomorrow. You know, like 4:30, 4:40 tomorrow. We'll complete our 34. Then we will, you know, hit the highway back up here to Barstow, get on 40, shoot straight west. Now, because we're dealing a little bit with California, stuck at 55 miles an hour, I'm going to lose about 30 miles on the day, minimum. But I will push every single, you know, solitary moment I can to do as close to 600 miles as possible, you know, tomorrow morning, all day tomorrow. Might get to Jamestown, maybe a little bit further. If I can make it past Jamestown, we'll see where I can stop. But that's probably where I'm going to stop. You know, I'm going to stop for some fuel in Kingman, Arizona. And, you know, like I said, get to, you know, if I get to Jamestown, from there, I had to see where I can get to after that. You know, Jamestown, New Mexico. I mean, Flagstaff would be better, but I just don't think I'll be able to do that. Then we got to get to Amarillo, do another fuel up there. Get to Oklahoma City, do our delivery. Head up I-44 towards Tulsa. Once we get to Tulsa, we're going to swing a little bit more to the north, getting us up to Missouri. Or into back up into Iowa, and then getting over to Fairfield, Iowa. You know, so. But we do what we have to. Like I said, today is going to be a cleaning day. I got dishes to do, so I need to get a shower so I can take my dishes inside, scrub them out, get them put away and organized, wipe everything down with some Lysol wipes. You know, just I've just been so busy lately. Haven't been able to do videos like I want. Haven't been able to clean like I want. I've just been piling things up. Go, 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 go. All right. All right. So, for the time being, it's not a whole lot of nothing today, except, you know, household chores. Cleaning, organizing, laundry, dishes, sweep the floor, vacuum things up, you know, neat and tidy things, change the bed sheets. Basically, do what I normally do. Spend every freaking waking moment in this truck. But it's all for a goal. It's all for a goal so that one day I will never have to do real work. So that's pretty much all for right now. I mean, unless something exciting happens outside in the parking lot, that's pretty much it for the day.